Sitting in a deck chair watching that big red sun go dropping into the water and out of sight. Thinking about the time that we were caught up in a runaway fever, as close as it gets to getting it right. And I don't know where you went. As for me, ever since I've been riding the wind in a little white boat, one day ahead of a heart that's broke, falling asleep to the waves in a world of blue. Thinking about coulda, shoulda, what have I done? Must have gone crazy in the hot noon sun. Now all I've got to get me through are blue skies, warm nights, high tides, islands, guitars, and you. Wishing you could come with me to a little place down in the Keys and have one more dance in the beach firelight. And if you'd let me hold you close, I promise that I'd never let go, and be a grateful man the rest of my life. I spent a lot of time at sea, holding on to your memory and riding the wind in a little white boat, one day ahead of a heart that's broke, falling asleep to the waves in a world of blue. Thinking about coulda, shoulda, what have I done? Must have gone crazy in the hot noon sun. Now all I've got to get me through are blue skies, warm nights, high tides, islands, guitars, and you. You're the song that's playing in my heart. So one more night I'll sing it to the stars and ride the wind in a little white boat, one day ahead of a heart that's broke, falling asleep to the waves in a world of blue. Thinking about coulda, shoulda, what have I done? Must have gone crazy in the hot noon sun. All I've got to get me through are blue skies.
We are here at Crow's Nest Marina. We're at the restaurant, and I've got the blackened grouper with Caesar salad, and Scott's got a
grouper bites, lots and lots of grouper bites.
We just sailed in from Bradenton. We were going right into the wind, right into the waves, so it wasn't a lot of sailing, maybe about 5 minutes. Salty Bannon.
Out.
High tides, islands, guitars, and you. Islands, guitars, and you.